What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today you can see over here we made $1,089 on BBAI and NMAX. We took the gains on BBAI. I'm going to break that down for you, why I did that, and I sold NMAX as well. Year to date, we're up $76,100. So the gains have been continuing to flourish. Tesla, one of our biggest gainers. UNH, we've made over $26,000 this year so far. And Google, we made about $3,000. And our next big winner was basically NVIDIA, around 17,000. So I just want to break down BBAI, why I sold, and just kind of show you what my thinking was. I'm just going to make this a little bit smaller so we can all see it. Let's just bring this right over here. Just looking at BBAI, I see that resistance at $7. And it's not just the $7 range, but it tried 3 times and then rejected, and it was up over 80%, which I think is a time that you should be thinking about taking profits. I'm going to be re-entering this position when I get a chance, but there were a few indicators to me that said, okay, you need to pump the brakes here. We need to think about taking the profits. On the 5-day RSI up here, you can see the RSI on the bottom right here. RSI was sitting around $7.20. At this price, it was around 56, and then it was around 70s. When the RSI is in the 70s, for me, that's just a no-brainer to take some profits. Looking at the 6-month chart, look at this real quick. It's trading really away from its 9 and its 21 EMAs. This is the blue and the white line. Look at the RSI at this, 74 and 76. So with an average of 76 to 77 on its RSIs, I'm going to take my profits. I'm going to look to re-enter. I have my alert set, and I am just going to be patient now and wait for it to come back. This is going to pull back at some point. They have their earnings July 30th. When it gets back to about $4, I'm going to start re-entering this position, and then we're going to try to swing it again. But it was an excellent swing trade. We had, buying it around $3.75, and then again around like $7, where we averaged down at that 350 point. That made a big difference. Get us that $1,000 gain. I'll wait for that nice pullback now that we can wait. If we get to $4, alert set, we'll start to chip in and start buying some. Just want to give a special shout out to the members of the channel. Thank you guys so much for joining and supporting, becoming a trading supporter. They get access to all these members only videos, the stocks to watch, trade ideas, my YouTube portfolio, the pyramid strategy, buying the dip, best stocks to buy, learning my 9 and 21 EMA strategy. All this for you guys. I appreciate you guys tuning into the channel, and if you're considering it, definitely click on the membership tab where you gain access to members first videos as well, and also just highlighted content for members with the mastering the VWAP, following the trading plan, and my buying dip strategy. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you next time.